comment, subscribe it. It was about how you gonna send TVGH, message like, comment, subscribe it, and no notification, so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. It was about something is brooding. Senior brooding, so I say brewing, BREW. Mama ko super pano, and Timmy and say mate. Now, what is the issue? Asateman is gearing up for one of the biggest demonstrations that is going to shake edge on the Mahama government. I don't know whether Ghanaians still have expectations about this government, NDC government, because NDC government, it runs mostly on PR, about communications and creating, maybe, how do you call it, impression as though Omuye Jumana, NDC, Omuye number one, Uno. But when it comes to the ground itself, now, what is the issue? Why is Asateman angry? And we are hearing, say, apparently, allegedly, I Ghana says, allegedly, uni lawyer ska, allegedly count. They say, opinion kasa. Ewa Asateman onuso ni boyfo asem wenye nide enye nide kra kofo amu ben opini no mamu ni mopeni kwa ameka anwase ni wanse na eye Kumasi interchange no e to de bia because you feel say because interchange na was swamenti e swame for de that be sa interchange na the whole Kumasi there and in the wisdom of nkrofo a MPP fo a almost started a very interchange, you know. They realize say it should be able to let traffic flow all across Kumasi. We call Bantama, we call Sofo line, we call the others now. I say me flow. So the best design is a 4-tier interchange. The same near Pokwasi. It was for Oko Accra now Oko Pokwasi. Now who interchange now? You'll be so proud that you are a Ghanaian. So now the same thing now one person more replicate it. Ewo. Kumasi. But NDC for Baba Mama will say there be so interchange, you know. Kumasi is too small for that interchange. A bimusu hardliners be when NDC mu almost omuka say na Kumasi ho na Ashanti region, you know. Vote say na NDC nyawo wa omude o minus kadodo pay $235 million. Eko see sa 40 interchange o Kumasi for they don't deserve it. No so no. Almost say interchange, you know, from 4 tiers, almost back 2 tiers. And as Asateman said, there be, we no go agree. Se munte mi, no 4 tiers, Kufuado, na oyeno. And the muja no sa, se MPP ba 2029, beto aso. Papa say, mbeka se mbeye, na mo tisudie. No way, we no go agree. And to all of us, Asateman, very soon, we no go agree, no? All over. And I think, say, His Excellency John Mahama, listen to the cries of Asateman. It doesn't have to get there. I am not happy when there's chaos. Because when there's chaos, how are we going to organize the election cry in the first place for MPP to come back? So kindly listen to Asateman. Leave the interchange alone if you don't have the money. When MPP returns to 2029, you prioritize it. We have also learned our lesson. Okay? Let's listen to this conversation. But remember, Kufuado buy no. Pokwasi the economy 3 tiers. So Kufuado redesigned it to 4 tiers. At even lower price than their NDC 4 SINE. It's a 7 NDC 4 person catch the Kumasi 4.
I'm being tempted to say, don't be tempted today.
Interchange ya can want Kumasi.
I reckon for Pokwasi no. We want for Pokwasi no. Baby. To go that's record.
Kumasi interchange, you know. Media and come to me. Asateman sorry. Omunya demonstration among kan President Mahama ni NDC for say omuntimi nya no 40 na omunyai. Omuntimi nya 40 interchange do so amia. Omunyai na onka ho. Nyame ya aduma MPP papa power. No ma be yom for 40 amom. Sahana President Kofo Sofo line to Abuakwa kwan. Ya ye hu bibia wi ahya ase. Mo ba ya na mbete so. lane no hatre na ma tete so na me yen tutu na mo tena ho a mo anye te se na nakufa do baaye ansa no ba ba ya wie
yeah
se so am interchange yi so aye 40 no mo di mo se be ka abaye nsem yen tutu no so ahwe amonye enti ba ya mo kanto bi omu nya yo
mo hwe efi kumase no we eye the Pokuase Interchange na eye 40 enti sei nanka nana ekufu adraban eye se obeye Swami Interchange no the other picture na say no a bit clearer than this one enti say nanka say na eye so obeye no NDC for buy no almost say Asateman deserve Interchange KCC enti nsem so no ye enan omo yi mienu afiri so na aka mienu na omo ye ni sei enema mienu ntia so omo hwe the quantum of investment and MPP aban eye Asateman mu a omo mpe 2 so mbe wie ne ntem na omo de abaye campaign 2028 say MPP ntimi ansi Interchange Ashanti region na yomo na abesi Interchange sana ema mienu yi enti omo se Pokuase de atie yi Asateman mu de mu deserve ni see so that's why me no ya adwene say Asateman sorry
no mka to munya
say either 40 year or no Interchange
good
man say
sa man ka ho
Eric betimi
ya 40 year no dia omu
jai either 40 year Interchange or no Interchange
good
Asateman sorry Asateman mun sorry
o Asateman mun sorry
either 40 year or no Interchange
yeti bisimu yeti bisimu enti mun tumi nya no 40 year no dia munyai na nka ho the best thing is Asateman no because the omo ye no obu a mo fe ma Asateman because the Mahama na tumi ko gina kuma se kan se Asantefo wo di gold yo mo kwa akra nyo mo fe enti bi bia ni ho a MPP di ni sabe kan Asateman mu a wo mo ba wo be ye ni se di MPP person be ye no dada wo mo nya ni sada the Mahama no ono wayes oba wo oncha ware ase no otuba ntia wonua oni so no okọ team bi a nkrofo bi ti yom se ye bi akọ ebi na o ye no o ye de obeye di na okọ ne ba bi nti ready Asateman mo mani bere aso mo mani bere se budie mo se mo ntimi nye fo na munyai sikani ho mo de munyai e bia debi Ghana bi nye sikani aye 40 amaye eno ebe boaye me kan fa ho no ya hope say eno be boa
kwaku Koku asem no enra once again erikopuku agric minister ogunu woni mase
so no ni mu ya
say over the week fiada no either Thursday or Friday one central food bi and as a bloggers ni bi edi nkomo kakra wo parliament emma wo kana bonte say Ghana koku no te ate no yezuma na ha ye because Africans for so kwa ate mo de so
Africans be na to koku
wo say Africans for ate mo de so ama yebusa mo ka senya no kure Africans enra formal yinaba Africans for say omo nche mo koku so ati say na
in fact omo train say ombeton we na kusi say omo season be kwa wie
yes
by March ending then they can now decide whether some better so and also monte so
abade once again erikopuku agric minister ogunu woni mase
so no ni mu ya
say over the week fiada no either Thursday or Friday one central food bi and as a bloggers ni bi edi nkomo kakra wo parliament emma wo kana bonte say Ghana koku no te ate so no yezuma na ha ye because Africans for so kwa ate mo de so
Africans be na to koku so
wo say Africans for ate mo de so ama yebusa mo ka senya no kure Africans enra formal yinaba Africans for say omo nche mo koku so ati say na
in fact omo train say ombeton we na kusi say omo season be kwa wie
yes
by March ending then they can now decide whether some better so and also monte so
abade wo hoyi omonte
so odo ma me fa in fact me bomodin endra e convert on stage so mo issue statement in French
yes
and me convert by English
okay
and
Eric Infanto so na King can chere for no mo hwade nti Eric Pacho
to Google converter
me use yes okay. Converting kama pa
because me na fufu bi ye ko Havana na unso omo ka ayi span ayi na omo ka se yente omo ka here the Google na party
but we no okay wo dey owie
yes one family right na yen
no remember
etika ebaya nankaja okay as you see a press release from the Coffee and Cocoa Council. The Coffee and Cocoa Council informs all producers in the coffee and cocoa sector that the guaranteed
that word you know keyword you know
and one no
underline the keyword.
The guaranteed farm gate price of cocoa set at 2,800 CFA per kilogram for the 2025-2026 main crop year remains unchanged throughout the national territory until March 31st, 2026. The Coffee and Cocoa Council also reminds producers that in accordance with current regulations, the maximum legal period for full payment of delivered product is set at 1 month from the actual delivery date. What it won't put say what I would date yourself with latest. Any failure to comply with the obligations relating to respecting the guaranteed minimum price and the legal period for full payment of delivered products will subject offenders to the penalties provided for by current regulations. Consequently, the Coffee and Cocoa Council invites coffee and cocoa producers to report all cases of non-compliance with the guaranteed minimum price and or late payment to its relevant departments and administrative authorities so that offenders face the full force of the law. The Coffee and Cocoa Council reaffirms its commitment to ensuring strict compliance with regulations in order to guarantee the protection of producers' income, the transparency of transactions, and the proper functioning of the coffee and cocoa sector. Omo the French law.
Omo the moment
I show it to me.
Say what say? Omo the come say ebo no. Omo nsesa no. I don't know what about akopim say match be ko na wie ye. Na ye eka ho bio ni say. Se utokua ni kokwa wa cha abosume ba ko se otua neta. Se abosume no so na untua neta ato man no mra. Ntomo ka kire woni edua kokko ni coffee ni se. Ukoton kokko. Na se kokko kra kire ka so beti so 1 peso a na se 1 sefa bompanimfu amane. Ukoton kokko na ebre no bosume pa ho no muntua ya. Bompanimfu amane na emra no a se so mudidi wo no mu feni wo.
Adekroti amoka na bosume no. Se de be ya ensakrai bi ba obi lusu ana obi benefit more than what the person is due.
Enti Erikopoku chantro.
O chantro. What's that video?
Me
the phone back screen na here.
Erikopoku chantro.
Erikopoku
dey enye ono nko a ato force so e can the same thing. Say Cote d'Ivoire for so ate omo bo so. Enti no enti Ghana for so ate bo so.
And this for me
prove ya say omo ye entro na me koko nsemi nyina godon me se me ade ha me ne se woni me ntie no ha me because me se me catch us ye busuafo bebre wo enti ne ade omu bia kokum na omo ba ne ayi obu won ma sem bisi na oba na oni sika na wakwaje besia na odini koko no ayeden aye atiawa na wakwaje besia de aba enti koko no teye apno akweden wakwa kutuaka enti because of guarantee price na ne wo no. And if I say my kwaji means so me 10 bags nkoko de mete amenya 15 bags nje anya hwe kura no 10 de menya tina me de 10 no akwaji besia na me de aba na what so by 100,000 10,000 Ghana cedis na wo se besia na makobo menya de tua
adia me se adia jo Mahama ne NDC fo aye Ghana kokko akuafo no e ti say de o ma mom DD ti so o no eye wudi sempa e bi nsia oman yi mu da ena NDC fo de aye kokko akuafo na omo no eye ebu a omu mu kokko akuafo NDC fiti to omu sabe woni atim krasi o me kai nse to ye be ko 2016 election na madam fu bi warranty ye bobo ye ho akona da bi o ye NDC ye didi nkoma this election be wi na me se kwan bes na me wi ni wasi ye be wi na me se be wi aba wi mu
o be wi mu
mo be wi aba wi mo bua ye nyina ye ni da wasi an krom ni ntimi mi ma nkrase de betimi awiem just woman no madwin nyina ne so bi ti sabe akura se a woni mi nyansa ta na NDC fo ye enti se akuyafo de NDC fo mu won one mu ye kuyani a NDC ni o mu because woman say de be bi aba beto aba na mo mo sa no mo fo mo enti ni se edu oni ebre mo nkyini ene magi salt o se de be bi mo beto aba enti woman de sa ade na ebuo no amu fam mu woni eti nkurase ye kuyadwuma no eno a no ma ya de aba be pie mu ene den enti wo ye kuyani a ese hunu se ebra so se mama NDC fo nso hunu se NDC enye sebi nkurase fo party se de o mka se wo mo de o nyum vote free nkurase ye no enti no mumu no mumu hunu se sebi mun sum ni nyansa woni nyansa wontim nkoda wura mu nkodo koko fuo mane ma ema aban no menya so mfa so mama obu hunu se mu ye nyansa fo kuyadwuma sebi nya jimi fo na ye kuyadwuma nyansa fo de timi ye kuyadwuma ma na ye yi na de o mo ye mu no mo ansori a na mo anya bato na motuma NDC fo na saa no meye mo da bia because o ni say mu akuafo de bia no ya chiche o magudem ti o meto aba ma eno no de yehu no
wa kwaku
say koko grande abeni na yi say o mate o maketua so and me who say na hasoji send message say grande abi can say it's a useless government and a useless CEO who do this to okoti grande abi and obi say what is the celebration of the so-called salary cut by Randy Abbey and the staff of Cocoa Board. The cocoa farmers have sold their cocoa to Cocoa Board, and for 4 months they've not received a peso. This is a cruise of the matter. And Ode Abanti Obisa say, "Na come who be oboso? How much one oboso?
Na one obosi. That be but okay. O mate o mo salary so no. Ya ye nyini no. O go try ekwafo ne kan. And this is say President Mahama better say one was slashing the salary by 50%. And until no fair to say teachers.
Na go no. Am serious dia. Cast on koto
am cast no. No mo first can me dey.
And debio ekwafo no anyhow you look at it they deserve the 3,600.
I don't hear.
It is a what there so 80% the grandpa. And me send it yenum. And I'm say any day President Mahama better catch us say scanning system no more. It was slashing the salary by 50%.
Now you are coming.
And on the say are for teachers and nurses almost more than what so by 20%. Tio one what in there 50%. What teachers nurses for so there 20%. Obu be one the best offer. Why the best offer? It is a more it's a useless venture. And then the video back could be no, yeah, does it make sense? Does it make sense to you? It doesn't make sense to you. And
I mean, she said, you see, one more bonus be my cocoa board for brand new force. No, almost no cocoa into Mocano. There's so much and yes, Kabi Chichamomo, a bit dear 1,000, be 500, be say, according to say the open in the ATA. Se kwamba su no munya says can say dey no mkoton yo munya yo no mo chess can mo across the whole Ghana cocoa board workers na mo jare
obi say President Akufo-Addo increased the Pokuase interchange from 3 tier to a 4 tier upon assuming office. Mahama on the other hand is reducing the Swami interchange from 4 tier to 2 tier. Mattison Ewokufodua
and be such a person now will be baby say ya man
yeah and fast be no so
and Nipane is right. President Akufo-Addo increase Pokuase no oba esika na almost omode ye no okoye renegotiation e mo the 1 tier e kan ma na ye 4 ba jomama buy no Kumasi de na ye 4 no oso oteso ama na ba be ye 2 but Eric me sende wo and another impression they made the artistic impression of the Pokuase Swami interchange. I see the okay. Also, be so on tea. Meaning, say, Nina, son in neighbor. I also say on tea and Patro check Facebook or YouTube. Why not? You like, see, for a Swami interchange, you know, artistic impression and said, they are need we BCI, you know. Na all the two I be who said this here. Go down to we answer.
You see, media Serandia Bipa want the salary also by 90%. So far,
we the $135 million Swami interchange, you know. Say now, Omuria and Kebe.
The project now soon. And I could follow
we right here, no. Yeah, Bantama. ɛna ɛfa sɛ kokoro from ɛna wie no kɔ tafo ɛna ahadeɛ no ɛba soame ɛna tafo deɛ no fa se ha be kosi ketia
aseɛ deɛ no
fa se ha kosi ketia nti saa netie nti deɛ all right ya na deɛ etwa kosi no kokoro from na deɛ kosi straight na kɔtafo
na deɛ kosi straight fa wodi fa no yɛ no je sɛ ɛkɔfa Yabrepɔ junction kɔfa Yabrepɔ junction kɔfa patas
deɛ woni fa no ifra Yabrepɔ junction ɛba
yes
nti uduru a ɔtwam kokoro from na afɔ no kɔ tafo na ase ha deɛ na ba yɛ anim ha yi aba so ame
ɛfa dodo
enti deɛ asɛ curve yɛ wase no ɛno nso fa akɔsi wem kɔ ketia nti wayɛ fɛfɛfɛfɛfɛ kama o ba obeti so me say Asateman so say
ɛna sɛ wo friki de tia na wo na masese na on no ase de ho ba bi no ɛno so sa be okopita kofa West Coast side ho ba ko
obetumi akɔtie sie no enti omo nka ntwom sɛ omo nyai omo de omo nyai so omo ntumi nya no 40 years sɛ de titie ya omo nyai to ho
ko fa obi sɛ Kwame Agbogya
no ba ba ya
ebe no Rose Minister enye de besi ani onipa ni krom hene sɛ omunum pipe mu su da gise kufu adobai onipa ni krom hene sɛ omu hu lord kwan da gise kufu adobai na Kwame Agbogya den no ehu da obey kuma sɛ 40
the end ya ohu e kwa ahoye a ahoye antipopo no wonye
Kwame Agbogya
anyway waku me de ade bia aban ne beye na sika no en kokokofo no de omu hu akwa munye omu nyai go say adako da adwe so wo kan mo ankasa mo de babonte se mo aye salary cut mo fra ban mu na ma twa krata de akoma first controller accountant general say offer music amamo mo anye music ani hwana mo da no hwana jiwudi wo Ghana bibi de CEO e da pese Mahama wo sa ba back me nya sure say Ghana for war expectation papa bia wo we don't trust we to deliver bi
and so munim so
and they ya February and then 17th as they say ye musa pese Mahama say policy bear pan or can position say or board the ba ya oba what be diaba
and I saw Sh0ck for bo say koku akuafo nyina obetutu
politan
boho
ewo na oyo the politan kesisi ho na watwe nsuo na mo no mo de agugom koku so no manyeska me tis have go on na me confess during the campaign sa asem no
me so
and now me tis na me say eh
akowa kan se mo
enti President Mahama no office akuafo no na agimi ana se onumom na niam nkoyi
aba ko se wo de wo ye kwato mesre wo koko apart from say ye nurse seedlings no na di nsu agugu so no enyini wi a ye di da so di nsu agu ase
koko de hi answer du bre so enyi agina wi wo ye ni wo fa wo di nsu ye dey wo hia nsu wo fo na wo spray koko no so
dabi
we nsu di
abra ba wo be hia nsuo no
e bra wo dua koko no
e bra wo dua koko no foforo
e na numpo no
ye ne kopo dabi ye ne nazri no po no bi ase ye fo ma baby ni agye waketua bi na ya nurse koko seedlings no ho no ho ne eguso anopa ne anwumre
eno nko a apart from sa wotutim wi a
ye koko so
ba ko sa David I'm being tempted say me ba
ko don be tempted today bonifia da
sa Interchange a ye kan ho ase hukuma
ma Eric fa poku ase no owion fa poku ase no
ofa ngom le
kan ase fe yenko baby nti ko da ase ko
Kumasi Interchange no media nka metumi a Asateman sorry omunya demonstration amon kan che President Mahama ne NDC fo se omuntumi nya no 40 na omunyai omuntumi nya 40 Interchange do so amia omunyai na onka ho nyame ya aduma MPP beba power no ma be yom 40 amom sa na President Kofo eye sofo line to abu akwakwan ya ye hu bibia wi ahase ye mo ba ya na mbete so lane no na hatre na mara betete so na me yen tutu na mo tena ho a mo anye te se na na kufu ado ba ye ansa no ba ba ya wie
yeah
se so am Interchange yi so eye 40 no mo di mo se be ka abaye nsem ye tutu no so ahwe amonye enti ba ya mo kan to be so munya yo
mo hwe efi Kumase no we eye the Pokuase Interchange na eye 40 enti sei nanka nana ekufu ado aban eye se obeye Swami Interchange no the other picture na say no a bit clearer than this one enti sei nanka sei na eye se obeye no NDC for buy no almost say Asateman ain't deserve Interchange KCC